Alright, now we gotta wash it off a little bit. We'll run it all into the faucet and get it washed off, then we'll chop it all up. Cutting it a little smaller than normal because it's the rhubarb's sugaring. There was so much up there that hasn't quite turned red yet, but this will work out okay. If you want it red, you can always put food coloring into it. But we're going to leave it green. I like it nice and sour. That one's got a big long spot on it. We'll put that aside. I don't think we're going to need that much anyhow. I think they want to cut it to 3/4 of an inch. I'm cutting these probably between, right around a 1/2 inch is all I'm cutting these to. And we'll put on ice cream. There we got, it's 4 cups here, probably another cup down there. So we got about 5 cups of this. Now I only need 2.5 cups for right now, so I'll freeze the other stuff. So I'll get ready of this and we'll start cooking this up. Here we got 2.5 cups right here. And this is the extra stuff. I'll freeze that and use it for something else. We're only going to start with 2.5 cups and put some on the vanilla ice cream and be really, really good. Okay, we're going to put in 1/3 cup of water, or sugar rather, in the saucepan. And I got to check the recipe. We're going to put in 1/4 cup of water. Alright. 1/4 cup. That don't look like much water, does it? Huh. That don't look like it. It's 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of sugar. Yeah. That's what it did. Okay, we'll give that a go. Got to bring this up to a boil. And just this is a new electric stove. I don't like electric, but it's sugar. It's starting to melt in there, and we'll just pour this 2.5 cups of rhubarb in there. And we got to reduce the heat. I know that once it starts doing this. We'll put the heat down. Okay, it's boiling, and we're going to pour this in. Alright. Now we're going to reduce the heat down. We got to cover it. Doesn't look like the right cover. It's not the right cover. That's an old cover. I'll get the right cover. There. Now we gotta do this for about 10 minutes, see what happens. There, it's starting to boil. It's hard to aim this camera, right? It's starting to boil in there. Yeah, so getting a lot more juice out of the rhubarb now. Just keep that covered. We may have a winner yet. Who knows? You can tell it's boiling pretty good now. I'm holding the camera so it can be a little jiggly, but that's what it looks like. I do like it when it's redder, but we'll see how this tastes. You never know. Now this recipe calls for some lemon zest, which I don't have, so I ain't gonna put it in there. It also calls out for 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. You do that after it's all cooking's all done. And the cooking is done now. I'm going to take another quick look at it here. And we'll show you what that looks like here. Well, I don't know. Something happened to my color here. That looks good. So we're going to shut this thing off. So that's off for there. And then we'll slide this off to the side there. And there we go. Vanilla ice cream with rhubarb sauce. That's what it looks like. And let's see how good it is. So here we go. That's really good. Yep, really, really good. So that's how you do it. What we're going to do is we're going to make some toast. We're going to add some butter on it. And then we're going to throw a little bit of this rhubarb sauce that I made yesterday. Now it's not like jam. It's just regular rhubarb sauce. One thing about rhubarb sauce that I like is you can make it as sweet or as tart as you like it. Now I like it on the tart side. And it's really good on ice cream. I'm going to try it on Cheerios one of these days and see how it tastes there. That I haven't done yet. But just waiting for the toast to get popped out here. One other thing I haven't tried, put rhubarb sauce on, I bet you it'd be good on pork chops. You know how you put applesauce on pork chops or pork roast? I bet you rhubarb is really good too. I'm going to try that. I don't want to. Got it nice and brown. Put a little bit of butter. Okay. Now, I don't want to get the butter and the rhubarb sauce in here, so I'll clean the knife off a little bit. Now we're going to take a little bit of this and we're going to spread it on here. See how this tastes. Think of this like a sour jam. Okay, here we go. First time I tried this, we're going to give it a try. This is a little greener. It's not quite ripe rhubarb yet, but let's give it a go. Very good. Only one thing. Needs a little more rhubarb. And we're thinking about doing it this way, over jam or jelly. You don't have to near the sugar in there. This is pretty good stuff. Give it a try if you like it. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you down the road. Very, very good.